Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. So it was an exciting week in market, and we have seen a decent down move in Nifty as well. Let's so in last video that we have shared for 28 October expiry, हमने दो strikes short किए थे 18,000 put option and around 18,500 call option. And unfortunately 18,000 का जो put option है it became ITM and जो stop loss था वो Thursday को hit हो गया, मतलब जो आज के दिन ही hit हो गया. Because of that we had got good loss in we are in big loss in that position. Other than that 3 दिन तक तो position सही चला था, but again it's market and there are always surprises here. So if we see the status of the position, then the losses is around 3,800 and जो put option है वो ITM बन गया था. Other than this all option have become OTM. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो सारे ऑप्शन OTM and only put option is ITM, and because of this we had got a loss of around 3,800 rupees per lot. So that is fine. So let's start fresh for the next week market analysis for around third for the next weekly expiry, which would be November first week expiry. So let's start with the analysis now. So I have drawn already a yellow line for Nifty, which is a support line for Nifty, and currently the level is around 17,681. We can take it slightly lower, which is 17,600. So the lower line will be the support for Nifty, and जो ऊपर के side है as of now जो resistance अभी Nifty को available है, it is around at this level, which is 18,300. But अगर हम यहाँ से current price it is around 17,857. So यहाँ से the difference is very large for upside compared to downside. तो इसके लिए हम इसको नीचे shift कर देंगे to 18,200 just to be on a safer side. So we will be taking two strike in this position. The first one will be shorting put options, put below 17,600, and on the upside we will be shorting call option above 18,200. So these are the two strikes that we will be tracking for next week expiry. And other than this, इसमें जो हमारा exit plan रहेगा, it will be same that we are following. We will exit our position if any of this level breaks. So if Nifty closes above 18,200, then we will close our position, or if Nifty closes below 17,600, then we close our position. Other than that, on suppose if Nifty is trading in between this range, then we will hold our position and won't exit. So this is about the exit plan for the trading plan. Now we will see the premiums in option. So 18,200 call option, 3rd November expiry, and 17,600 put option. So these are the two strikes. And one more thing, we will be hedging our position just to protect ourselves from overnight risk or volatility. So we will be buying 200 points away option. So in in call side we will be buying 18,400 call, and on the put side we will be buying 17,400 put. So I will be just loading all those all those options here. 18,400. So these are the strikes that we are going to trade, and now we will be checking the payoff as well. One more important thing is the VIX is up by around 6.5%, so we will be getting good premiums in options as well. So this is about this thing. So let's check the payoff chart now. So now I will just select all the position. 3rd November and 18,200 call. $17,600 put. So this is a payoff for our naked position. Now we will be hedging the options as well. So 17,400 option buy and 18,400 put option buy. So this is the final payoff chart for the trading for the plan that we are having. We will be executing. So the maximum profit is around 3,500. The probability of profit is 60%. The maximum loss that we can get is around 6,500 per lot, and the margin required is around 50,000 per lot. So this is about the payoff chart, and I will be sharing this payoff as well in the description section of this video, so one can check this out as well. And that's it for this video. And if you have learned anything from this video, then you can like and subscribe to our channel as well, so that you get notified for all the informative and learning videos that we upload in the future. Also, there's a disclaimer with this video. Thank you, guys.